Hey, what's up with you guys? Welcome back to Naturally Legit TV. Bam. So today I want to just give you guys some knowledge. Whomever it is out there who has a voice but doesn't know where to start when it comes to this, YouTube, world per se. Anywho, check it out. I went to Intro Maker right there, and I also use Vlogstar, but Intro Maker is where I was able to make that intro super easy. So yeah, bam. And there you have it. I wish I would have known of this earlier. But anyway, if you're like me, you know, and you want to grow in whatever gift, you have. And for me, I have several. Let's just say that. But nonetheless, I have a voice, and YouTube is a cool way to go to when you want to reach the world. Peace out, you guys. I don't want to